Come back. So we are still on the concept of operators in JavaScript. In the last lesson, we try to see how we can use our shorthand to achieve, uh, operator performance on our elements in JavaScript, whereby we started with checking how we can use our different operator to add, to subtract, to divide, and still get an output in our code. Now, if you take a look at this, you'll see that sometimes, although this shorthand is very easy and more cleaner to use, but sometimes if you are not really comfortable with this shorthand method, it's always advisable that you do the normal thing. If you realize that, oh, this is going to cause confusion for me, so you can do it in the normal method as long as you achieve the result that you are trying to achieve at the end of the day. So in this particular lesson, we're taking a look at this third part of what I have under arithmetic operators. When used on string, the plus operator is called the concatenation operator, which means that it is not only numbers that we can add together, just like how we are adding this x to the value of 12. We can as well add string. Let's name equals Blake. And I want to add John to it. I can use JavaScript plus operator, put space in between, come out and say, okay, I want to add this to the name. So now if I try to output the value of name, can you see the value of my expression is Blake Luke, which correspond with what I have in my variable declaration. So when you use addition operator like this in JavaScript, it is called concatenation operator. So let's try and do. So you realize that if you try something else, maybe you change this to minus, and you change this to minus as well. Now, can you see what you are getting in your browser? So we are saying the value of my expression is not a number. That is what NAND means, which obviously means that in JavaScript, you only use addition operator to concatenate string and not any other arithmetic operator like we have been talking about. So this is how you concatenate string in JavaScript. And the purpose of these double quotes, if you remember, is for us to be able to have space in between the first name and the last name that we have in our variable declaration. So this is how arithmetic operator works in JavaScript. For a quick recap, I've talked about addition, multiplication, subtraction, exponential, which is also raised to power in traditional mathematics, modulus, division, and I've also shown us a shorthand expression by which we can work with our variable as well as how we can concatenate string. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.